Welcome to the Army Benefits Center Civilian, or ABC-C, Injury Compensation Center of Excellence in Unemployment Compensation Branch, or what we simply refer to as the ICCoE. The ICCoE specializes in processing and managing injury compensation claims for DoDEA employees. We also manage unemployment compensation claims processing for former federal civilian service employees, including separated DoDEA employees. To contact the ICCoE at the ABC-C, please call 1-866-792-7620 and select option number 3 for DoDEA. Our address is 305 Marshall Avenue, Fort Riley, Kansas, 66442-7005. The DoDEA email address for inquiries is usarmy.riley.chqs.mbx.abcc-dodea-inquiries@mail.mil. Links to injury and unemployment compensation information can be found at the Army Benefits Center's website at www.abc.army.mil, and then by choosing either the Injury Compensation or the Unemployment Compensation tab on the left side banner under Benefits Topics. Also, don't forget to like us on Facebook to remain up to date on important federal benefits information topics. Our hours of operation are 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. DoDEA's primary injury compensation specialist, or ICS, and point of contact for all matters relating to unemployment compensation is Stacy Cook. In instances when Stacy may be unavailable, either her colleague Patricia Patch or her team lead Amanda Fowler will be available to assist DoDEA employees. Stacy Cook is a credentialed DoD Employee Benefits Advisor. She has more than 10 years of experience in federal civilian service. As a military spouse, she began her federal career with DoDEA. She was hired as a paraprofessional with Manheim American High School in 2001. She says, "Go Bison!" Her experience has included positions with not only DoDEA and Department of the Army, but also with the State Department and the Department of Veterans Affairs. Her daughter attended DoDEA schools starting kindergarten in Mannheim, Germany, and later attended middle school at Brussels American School in Brussels, Belgium. She truly appreciates the importance of the DoDEA mission and looks forward to supporting you in your invaluable work. The U.S. Army Audit Agency determined in their 2012 Audit of Army Workers' Compensation Program that an ICS has two very important responsibilities. The first critical responsibility is to ensure that the injured worker receives the medical care and assistance they need, enabling them to quickly return to work. The ICCoE provides guidance to both supervisors and employees on filing injury compensation claims. It is important to note that filing an injury compensation claim is a voluntary action. It is entirely up to the employee whether or not to file a claim. If they elect to file a claim, we encourage employees to work closely with their supervisors. Clear communication between the injured worker, the supervisor, and the ICS helps the process flow smoothly. The ICCoE communicates regularly with Department of Labor claims examiners and nurse case managers. We can provide documentation directly to Department of Labor via eComp with essentially no delay. The ICCoE currently provides two types of injury compensation briefings. The first, for supervisors, a quarterly Employees Compensation Operations and Management Portal, or eComp briefing. The second, for the leadership group, on a quarterly basis, the ICS will prepare chargeback reports, which are presented to leadership. The report can either be discussed in general as part of a scheduled FICA working group meeting or simply distributed to leadership for informational purposes to help them maintain awareness of compensation costs. The second responsibility identified by the U.S. Army Audit Agency was the ICS's obligation to protect the employer's interest through meticulous case management. The ICS scrutinizes every claim, verifying that it was filed timely, that the injury occurred while in the performance of duty, that the illness or injury actually occurred, and that it was caused by the reported incident. The ICCoE conducts long-term case management, reviewing cases to ensure case statuses are current and that available medical documentation supports the injured worker's current work status. We encourage injured workers who are released by their treating physicians to return to work. We will coordinate with staffing specialists and leadership to find available positions within the injured worker's restrictions. Under the Unemployment Compensation for Federal Employees, or UCFE program, employees who have separated from federal civilian service, including those who enter into a leave without pay status in order to relocate with an active duty spouse on PCS orders to a CONUS location, may be eligible for unemployment insurance or UI benefits and are generally encouraged to apply. Separated employees should apply for UI benefits in the state in which they most recently worked, or if returning CONUS after working as a federal civilian overseas, in the state in which they currently reside. The State Employment Security Agency, or SESA, then contacts the ABC to obtain wage and separation information. The Department of Labor has given the SESA the authority to determine claimant eligibility for unemployment benefits. The SESA's decision or determination is issued in accordance with state unemployment law. It is recommended that claimants carefully read any issue determinations. Appeal rights are clearly outlined in the determination and are always time-sensitive. In some cases, for example, if an employee is removed for misconduct, the Unemployment Compensation Specialist at ABC-C may challenge a former employee's claim for UI benefits and may appeal a determination allowing UI benefits. When an unemployment hearing is scheduled, whether the appeal is filed by the claimant or by the ABC-C, the ICCoE will provide representation and coordinate witness participation in the unemployment hearing. Again, our contact number is 1-866-792-7620, option number 3, or the ABC-C website at https://www.abc.mil. The specialists at the Army Benefits Center Civilian Injury Compensation Center of Excellence and Unemployment Branch look forward to working with you.